I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the lawful path: cover, remix, sample, or obtain a license. Once decided, pick a DAW or app that preserves audio fidelity and supports pitch shift. Make sure to check rights early. Obtain a mechanical, synchronization, or sample clearance where required rather than relying on alterations. While you configure your project, label tracks and backup originals. These steps set the stage, so any creative pitch changes remain within legal and professional boundaries and avoid downstream problems. Now apply pitch shift as a creative tool, not a legal loophole. Pitch shifting changes note frequencies by semitones. Small shifts alter character, larger shifts change key. Use formant-correcting algorithms to preserve vocal timbre when shifting pitch, and choose high-quality interpolation to reduce artifacts. Once done, audition in musical context, check chords, harmonies, and tempo, because pitch changes can clash with accompaniment. Make sure to document your edits, and keep original stems so you can reconcile musical decisions with license. Finish by exporting high-resolution files and embedding accurate metadata and credits. Before publishing, confirm that all necessary licenses are cleared and stored. Receipts and publisher confirmations prevent takedowns. Once published, monitor platforms for notices and be ready to provide proof of permission. If you encounter unwanted audio artifacts, reduce the amount of pitch shift, enable formant preservation, or apply gentle EQ and denoising to smooth transitions. This approach completes the task ethically and gives you one practical troubleshooting tip to fix common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.